Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's Monday. I'm kind of in a frenzy because I have to leave for work in like 15 minutes. But I just got a HelloFresh order, which I'm so excited about. This video is sponsored by HelloFresh, but we will get into that later. For right now, I'm just gonna quickly put the ingredients all in the fridge while I get ready for work. I'm so excited and relieved that this is Sydney's birthday week and I don't have to worry about what we're going to eat. So this is exciting. Let's put them away. Oh, she wants a bite of the cookie that I just took pictures with and prompted her. Take a bite. Take a bite. You don't get to. Mama's making eggs and I'm gonna put some fresh spinach in it, and someone insisted on just eating the spinach. Who are you? You're turning 2 and you're eating raw spinach for fun.
What's in it? What's in it?
Tell the camera, say I'm eating spinach.
Spinach.
Is spinach good?
Green.
It is green. Is it delicious? Oh, thank you.
Some camera.
Have some camera. I love you. Mama's gonna cook now, okay?
No.
More? What? Who are you? Why? How did I get so lucky with such a good eater? All right, so okay, hang on, baby. I don't know why you put oil. Like, I don't know. I should have done butter because I'm gonna make eggs, but whatever. We'll wilt that spinach in there. Okay, so I just threw on some American cheese and cherry tomatoes as well, and that is going to be part of Sydney's breakfast. I forgot to brew this coffee before I started making eggs, so it's now extremely cold, and I'm eating some eggs too. Look at that hair. Don't mind my project over there. We'll be showing that in another video. What are you eating? Breakfast? How is it? It's good? Yay! Here, wait. Put this one on top. Good girl. You want to do another one? Here, put that one on top. Oh, okay. Good girl. It's mid-afternoon right now. It's like 3:30, and basically it's been a long day of, I was editing a video this morning and I posted it while Sydney was napping. And Sydney had some lunch and we've just been chilling and, you know, took a photo for the gram and posted that. So I basically have to clean my entire house. I don't know why she says hungry lately when I pick up my camera. I think it's just her asking for some attention, but she literally just had lunch not even that long ago. You're a stinker. Do you just want some attention? I love you. I just got done snuggling you and kissing you and chasing you. Anyway, so I have to do some dishes. It's one of those days, like mom days. Gotta do some laundry, have to do some dishes. You want a granola bar?
Okay.
What do you say?
Please.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Oh, she's so cute. Anyway, so yeah. Oh, granola bar. Oh, you're right. What was I thinking? Hang on. Ooh, we are getting low on snacks. Mama has to go grocery shopping. All right, so I'm gonna give Sydney this. If it will focus, the Happy Tot fiber and protein. I guess a lot of people say they taste disgusting and their kids don't like them. I don't know. I feel like these ones taste like cinnamon apple and Sydney loves them. But y'all know, Sydney was eating raw spinach this morning. So she likes anything. I am such an unorganized person. It drives me insane. I hate being unorganized. But sometimes I just make piles because I don't know what to do in the moment. And then the piles just accumulate. I need a system in place. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's talk while I do the dishes. So, little potty training update. she is doing absolutely amazing at going potty, but I think it's mostly because I like make her sit on the potty every 30 to 35 minutes and she goes pee, or I like can tell when she has to poop. So she's doing amazing as far as that goes, with like almost no accidents, but she still didn't and hasn't really like said I have to potty when she has pants on or anything like that. She never says she has to potty, and I'm wondering if it's because she never really has a full enough bladder to recognize the feeling, or it's whatever. Maybe that's normal. I don't know. Leave me some tips. Don't know. So for the past couple of days, I have resorted to naked on bottom again, and I wasn't doing that for a while. But I'm thinking that maybe this will encourage her to, you know, go to the potty on her own and then tell mommy when she has to go potty. I don't know. I don't really know. But she's doing amazing. Like, she has hardly any accidents at all, knock on wood. Most days she doesn't have any. But I'm just trying to get her to the point where she will say, I have to potty, and then go to the potty. You know what I mean? So when she has her pants on, I don't have to time her. Or not time, but I don't have to look at the clock and sit around the potty. I can just kind of like go about my day and cook without worrying about accidents and whatnot. But anyway, if you have tips, leave them in the comments down below. I know that so many people have their opinions about potty training. Sydney is so crazy right now. Like, in a good way, happy. Cannot believe she's 2. It makes me just so emotional. 2 is worse than 1 for me right now. I don't know, maybe it's not. I don't even remember her turning 1. It was a heat wave for like 2 days. It was 50 degrees out, and Sydney played outside and splashed in the puddles, and you saw her. No, not right now, honey. It's really cold out. Mom's gonna start cooking dinner soon, okay? What did you do when we played outside?
Fish?
Oh, it's not a fish, honey. It's a leaf. But that's a good observation. Okay, pass it to Mama. Pass it to Mommy. Oh gosh, that's a very deep puddle, kid.
Boots.
Yeah, honey, we have to get rain boots. You don't have any.
I do have boots. Yay! I'm done.
You're all done? Okay, so for dinner tonight, I am cooking a HelloFresh meal, and this portion of the video is sponsored by them, so thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. But you guys know I've tried them before, and I was obsessed. They are a meal delivery kit service, and I'm just so obsessed. I don't have to worry about grocery shopping or planning my dinner or inventing something. I'm so awful when it comes to coming up with meal ideas for myself, so I really love it. I got 3 meals. Of course, I did the vegetarian option because I'm just, you know, weird about, I don't eat any protein besides chicken, and anyway, loved that. So the 3 meals I think I'm gonna, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do this one tonight, which is butternut squash and sage, or a this one. It's pasta and it looks amazing. I also got the chickpea tinga tacos, which I tried last time and they were so amazing. And then I got another one, veggie chilies, like stuffed chilies. But anyway, I think I'm gonna do the pasta tonight because I'm feeling freezing cold, because it is now back to the normal 30 degrees and yesterday was 50. So I'm already not, you know, adapted. Do you want pasta tonight? You want pasta?
Pasta.
Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go cook this meal tonight. I do have a discount code for you guys. It is TreyChicMama80, and it will give you $80 off your first month. And I will put the link down below in the description box. There's tons of meals to choose from: seafood, protein, veggie, all kinds of different, you know, choices. Total time takes 30 and prep time takes 10 minutes, which I can totally do because I'm not one to slave in the kitchen and, you know, get my toddler who's, anyway.
What you did was meaningless. What's the point of your coldness? I cannot sleep with your eyes on me, they burning. Slowly you know me in and out. Need you to push back all those sprouts of insecurity. I won't have it to emphasize that. If only I could find myself inside all this ghostly mind where you stay so sleep.
Okay, this smells so good with the sage. You guys have never, don't judge me, I've never cooked with sage before. I'm not a huge, I'm not a good cook. So this is stepping out of my comfort zone, but not at all because, you know, you get the straightforward recipe to follow. Smells so good. Alright, this is what dinner looks like. This is what Sydney and I are going to have, so I hope she likes it. It's basically like butternut squash, sage, like a pasta, yummy. Are you excited for dinner? You hungry? Okay. Sauce, yeah. So, I actually must make a confession. I hate mushrooms. Oh gosh, here we go. I hate mushrooms. And I'm literally just eating this. Like, I don't even notice them, really. I slice them so thin, though, that, like, I won't even be able to detect them. But the flavors of this are so good. It was so easy to make. I would have never come up with this on my own or anything. It's just so convenient. And look at that. It's Sydney approved. Obviously, you guys know. She's really not that picky. But it's just so convenient and something different. I love it. I love it. I love it. You guys have to check out HelloFresh. And it's just fun. It's like something exciting to look forward to, like what to eat for dinner. As I'm standing here, just eating off my counter like a, you know, hooligan. Is it good, Sydney?
Yes.
It's so yummy. Sauce? Mmm.
Pasta sauce and sauce.
Yeah, pasta's in sauce and it's so good, huh? Mmm. So Sydney just had an accident. Go figure, because I was talking about it and it was on the couch. That was the first time for that.
Of course she gets.
She was sitting on top of the blanket that was on the couch, but it seeped through because I didn't know that she had an accident. So, anyway, I know she feels bad because she kept saying accident, oh no. And I'm like, oh, accidents happen, but that's never happened before here. And of course I was just saying, oh, she hasn't had an accident in a long time. But anyway, thank you for helping. Thank you. Thank you. The strainer. Thank you. I'm gonna get you. I turned on this because I figured, you know what? Kill two birds with one stone here, huh?